Hey guys, how's it going? What a horrible morning it is, and how things just turned out so bad. So, I just want to keep you guys updated. My account has been transferred. I think I have a margin account. I'm not sure. I have to call in to figure out how this account works. Uh, Maybe I should sell off some stocks so I can make sure I'm in big cash position before I mess around with a margin account. I'm not too sure. I should call in and check first. But I'm glad I finally got my margin account. At least I hope. I'm not even sure. I don't know how to use it. I don't know what I'm doing. But my account has been transferred. And I'm just going to phone in and ask for instructions to understand how this margin account things works out. And maybe I could play some options or whatever. I don't know. I don't know how margin account really does for me. So, the FANG stock. We'll start off with Facebook. Everything has just been down so massively today. Like Facebook, you could have made a nice flip trade because it declined big time in the morning, and then all of a sudden buyers came in and started buying up. I think what's gonna happen is gonna touch break even, and it's gonna start declining back down. That's my opinion, because everybody who bought up here is gonna sell off and is gonna go back down. At least this is just what I think is gonna happen. Apple, same shit. No, same thing happened. It started off low, and then people bought, and then it went up, but it's already starting to have a correction. I believe it will decline back to 178, but near the end of the day, it's already starting to decline back to that price already. So we'll see what happens, but I believe that it's gonna decline and it's gonna go lower by the end of the day. That's just my prediction. It looks like a really bad day on the market. Amazon, same shit, had a nice, it declined, and then it bounced, and now it's all the way up. Amazon's part of the FANG stock. Apple is kind of part of the FANG stock, but not really. It's actually Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, and Google. Netflix, did the same thing, but the pattern's slightly different. It bounced twice, and now it's declining again. Google McDougal. I don't know. Oh, look, Google is going back down to where it bounced from. So it opened up at it went all the way to $1,004, and now it's it opened at 107, went a little bit lower, and it bounced, and now it's going back down to that direction. Let's see what Google's chart is. Google has not been beat up that bad, so I think Google could, I think Google could get beat up a little bit more. Just my opinion. I mean, Google is a really safe company, but, I say, worst case scenario, Google bows down to $800, or even past $500. I don't think that'll ever happen. Maybe, but I think about 800 is worst case scenario. Nvidia got beat up too in the morning, and now it's starting to decline back. So what happened was, I don't know what's going on. I don't know why it crashed in the morning, but it crashed. Everything crashed in the morning, and now it recovered a small bounce, and now it's selling off. AMD, same thing. Decline in the morning, bounce back, and now it's back to its decline mode. Would have been a perfect time. No, wait, I don't know. I believe that we're in the midst of a market crash, and everything is just crashing, and people are using the opportunity to buy on the dips, and then doing a quick swing trade for the day, or day trade or whatever. Aurora, same thing happened to Aurora. It, started off in the morning really bad. Day range 563. It went all the way to 590, and now it's heading back to 563. Seems scary to me. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. And there really was no news this morning. We get to go check the news later. So, Canopy, same thing. Oh, let's check Mr. Tilray. Tilray. Tilray did the, I guess Tilray should decline way more than this. I think they're trying to make sure that people who shorted the stock are losing money. So the rich people, anyways, the rich people playing with the shorters, they're not gonna let the stock drop to a certain price because they want shorters to sweat and burn their money from paying interest. At least this is just my opinion. We'll see what happens with Tilray over time. But at this point, hold on, CGC. Let's see if Tilray and CGC is the same. So Tilray has a $9.8 billion market cap, and CGC has a $10.47 billion market cap. The fact that CGC has, $5 billion in the bank or $4 billion in the bank, and Tilray does not. They have like $500 million in the bank, and the fact that Canopy also has, so much more production than Tilray, and the market cap, the U.S. market cap is very, very similar. Just Tilray is extremely overvalued, but there's nothing shorters can do. There's nothing people can do. All people can do is sell off, and then rich people come in and buy it back up. So there's absolutely nothing people can do for Tilray. I think Tilray is just gonna hover, above $100 to really make, shorters sweat. Like people like Andrew from Citron. Andrew left from Citron. He's down big time. I remember him saying that he shorted the stock around like $80 or something, or even $60. No, I think he said something about $80. So he's down like at least $20 on his short position, and he's paying a massive amount of interest at the same time. So he's probably like, "Come on, Tilray, drop." Aurora did the same thing, making me nervous, honestly. I mean, I did predict this was to happen, but I still have a lot of shares. So I hate seeing the fact that the stock has declined so much. Canopy, recovered and then dipped. Man, I don't know what to make of Canopy, but out of all the weed stocks, Canopy is my safest hedge bet. I do believe in the company long term because they have $4 billion of cash. So, the market cap is $13 billion. The total assets $7 billion. So the market cap is $5 billion over the total assets. So I don't know. I still think this stock is undervalued. Acreage Holdings. In the morning decline, bounce. I am planning to add to my position to Acreage Holdings. I'm hoping this declines more. Druve. This is the correct one. Oh, 1306. It had a nice bounce and then it declined. This looks like Cura. Cura is one of the ones. Oops. What the hell's this? Cura. Wow, 685. May pick up some. Just Cura is overvalued, kind of. Let's look at the market cap for Cura. Cura's market cap is $2.36 billion. I mean, it could decline further. It's very new stock, by the way. Let's see, hold on. I think it's only been out for less than a month. Yeah, it came out at 7:30, and you know, it's starting to, like, it went all the way up, and now it's starting to decline. The reason why I like Kira so much is because they raised, out of all the companies they raised, Kira is the only one that managed to raise $500 million on open IPO. So, you know, having a lot of cash is very important. And Kira, we don't know what Kira's financials are like, but obviously a lot people are big investors are throwing a lot of money into Kira. So it must be a good company. At least I hope it's a good company. I'm dying to see the financials. It might take some time. This is a reverse takeover. It's all this is a reverse takeover. So this description still has not been updated, but I'm just gambling on the fact that Kira managed to raise a lot of money. That's why it's on my radar. And that should be it for the video for today. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you have a great. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.